Hello, very welcome to Code in One. I am Sachi and we are gonna to learn bubble sort in all the three languages in this video. So let's go. So this is our array having 5 elements 99, 88, 77, 66, 55. Now we are going to sort this elements. Starting from the first element, that is 99, and next to that element, that is 88. Now check which one is smaller. If second one is smaller, then we have to swap the elements. So here 88 is smaller, so at the place of 88 I am writing 99, and at 99 I am writing 88. Moving to the next element, that is 99, and next to this is 77. So here again 77 is smaller, so at the place of 77 I am writing 99, and at the place of 99 I am writing 77. So moving to next element, that is 99 on J2, and next to this is 66. So here is again 66 is smaller, next one is smaller, so again swapping, interchanging the position of 66 and 99. Moving to next one, that is 99, and next to 99 is 55. So 55 is again smaller than 99, so here also we are required to swap these two elements. As we have taken a round from j is equal to 0 to j is equal to 4, so here at I is equal to 0 I'm going to write all the elements we got in the blank boxes sequentially. Now from here you can observe one thing, that is our 99 was at the first position and now it is at the last position. So you can see, as 99 was largest one and we have placed 99 at the last, so we are not required to touch 99. So from here we will check till J3. Now again from a starting position we have to check for 88, and next to this is 77, which one is smaller. So 77 is smaller, so again we have to swap these elements. And then 88, and next to 88 is 66. Now again 66 is smaller, so again swapping happens. Moving to next, that is 88, and next to this is 55. Again 55 is smaller, the second one, so here also swapping happens. Till now we have completed the second round, so what we got from the second round I am writing in I is equal to 1. From here we can observe that our largest and second largest elements are at last and second last position, so we have to check from starting to j is equal to 2. Now moving to the third round, having the first element that is 77, and next to 77 is 66. Now compare these two. Of course 66 is smaller, so swapping happens here too. And the next one is 77, and next to 77 is 55. Now again swapping happens. So our third round is completed, and what we got from the third round we have to write in I is equal to 2. So from here you can observe that our first largest, second largest and third largest element are at the right places, So we have to check till j is equal to 1. Now in this round we have only two elements, that is 66 and next to this is 55. So we have to compare this one. Of course 55 is smaller, so we have to swap these two elements. Now putting all the elements what we got in this round to I is equal to 3 sequentially, and now it's done because swapping happens only when we have two elements, and for the next round we only left with the one element. So here it's done, and you can also see all elements are arranged in the ascending order, so sorting is completely done. So this is the algorithm for this bubble sort. You can see from I is equal to 0 to I less than n minus 1, and here n is equal to 5 and n minus 1 is equal to 4. So here I is less than 4, so I will go from 0 to 3. So in this nested loop from j is equal to 0 to j is less than n minus I minus 1, we have seen that after every round of I, j's limit was decreased by 1. That is, for I is equal to 0, j is less than 4. Likewise, for I is equal to 1, j is less than 3. For I is equal to 2, j is less than 1. And for I is equal to 3, j is less than 1. And now in nested loop there is a condition, that is if aj is greater than aj plus 1, then only swap the elements. In this way we have sorted all the elements in ascending order. Now coming to the coding part, if you know about online GDB then it is okay, and if you don't then search online GDB on Google and you will find the first link, and from here you can go to the online GDB website, and you need not to log in for running a code, and if you want to log in then it's your choice. Now I'm start writing code in C++ for this bubble sort, and you have to check C++14 for this C++ code, and here I use stream and write using namespace std, and there is no need of this line. Take a variable n and input in n, and then take a array of n size and take all the elements as input in this array. Algorithm part starts from here. This is the first loop for I, which is from 0 to n minus 1, and the nested loop, that is from j is equal to 0 to j less than n minus I minus 1, and check if aj is greater than aj plus 1. If yes, then swap the elements. And now print all the elements what we have sorted. Click on the run button. I am taking the same input what I have explained earlier, and yeah, we got the same output as expected. Now moving toward the second language, Java code for bubble sort. Select Java from here. You can delete all the commented part. Write import java.util.scanner for using a scanner class. We don't need this line, and then start from scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and then taking a variable that is our number of elements, and then taking a empty array of n size, and then take all the element as input in this array. And now our algorithm part starts from here, and same, the first loop is for int I is equal to 0 to I n minus 1, and the nested loop, that is j is equal to 0 to j n minus I minus 1, and we have to check also aj, if greater than aj plus 1, then swap the elements. And then print all the elements, that is sorted, from the system.out.print, not println, because we have to show all the elements in one line. Now click on the run button, taking the same input as we have discussed earlier, and yeah, we got the same output as expected. Now start coding in Python for bubblesort. Check for Python 3, and you can delete the commented part, and this line 2 not needed. Taking the input for number of elements in n, and now taking the inputs of the element in this array A. And now our algorithm part starts from here. In the first loop, I in range of n minus 1, and in the nested loop, j in range of n minus I minus 1, and check if aj is greater than aj plus 1, then swap the elements. And now the next loop starts, I in range of n, and now print all the elements in a single line, and click on run button. Now I'm giving the same elements as we have discussed earlier, and yeah, we got the same answer as we have expected. Congratulations, we are done with the bubblesort. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to share with your friends, then go ahead. And if you like this type of video, then you can comment it down for the next video, and you can subscribe to my channel.